Hi, my name is Bryn Snow. I work for a company called Bricks & Mortar. Bricks & Mortar has been in the industry for more than 150 years and conducts 99% of its business in a B2B manner. As a result, it has been rather slow to adopt modern technologies in their marketing efforts and customer interactions. The Installer Insider Access program will break the mold of the way of doing business and leverage some of the best features of loyalty programs from other industries. Bricks & Mortar has a long-standing installer network which has financial benefits for the members. This program is an invite-only program that has a main event once every 18 months to promote new products and provide networking opportunities. By infusing this traditional program with modern technologies, it will help reverse the diminishing loyalty seen over the past few years. Taking a page from American Airlines' book, the Installer Insider Access program will have a three-tiered approach, which will provide incentives and greater insider access to the highest level members. For example, Level 2 will receive a free ad in an industry journal, but Level 3 will receive a free editorial in an industry journal, as well as a free suite at the next members conference with a limo pickup from the airport. The idea for instant orders is inspired by the Amazon way of doing business, as highlighted by Tom Bover and Bridget Champagne in week 4. These customers are essentially frequent flyers of the business, so their pricing levels and credit terms are well established. This should give us the ability to build and offer an instant quote and ordering system. Quote and order turnaround time is one of the biggest complaints for customers. By offering this feature to the premium customers, they will not only reap the benefits, but this will also free up the time for our staff to service other customers. Finally, the installation app that Bricks & Mortar currently has will be enhanced to include several more features. Some of these features could be offered to all customers, like promotion of new products and installation instructions. However, by only giving the Installer Insider Access members the first look at new products and allow them to rate, create, and read reviews of products, it will really set this program apart from our competition while providing the company with a great deal of voice of customer feedback. Please join me in the excitement of launching the Installer Insider Access program.